Hello, we are developing inventory management system with PHPMaker. In the last video, we created sales order tables. In this video, we are going to see which all tables are required for authentication and user management. For that, we'll need users table. With this table, we'll do the authentication. For the authentication as a username, you are using email, then password. User level to store user role related information. It can be like operator, supervisor, manager, or any other role you have in your organization. Using the PHMaker feature to show data created by the user or the reported user is this particular field is used. Following two tables, user labels and user level permission are related to that. Using these two tables, we are going to manage permissions like which user should be able to see which screen, whether he should be able to edit, add, or delete the record. All these permissions are managed by user level permissions table. Using the PHMaker, we can also create these two tables, but to start with, we are doing it initially. So I'm going to create this table using phpMyAdmin. We'll go to SQL section and run our query. Now we have created all the required tables which are useful to create the inventory management system. In the next video, we are going to connect our database with the PHPMaker and start configuring the actual project. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to PHPMaker or have any project related work, then you can connect us on learn.phpmaker.help@gmail.com. You can also comment and share your feedback. Thank you for watching the video. Please share and subscribe.